Shabuya, shabuya, roll call. My name is Angie.
Yeah.
I like to party.
Yeah.
But I'm too single.
Yeah.
Alright. Shabuya, shabuya, roll call.
My name is Sarah.
Yeah.
And I'm so crazy.
Yeah.
But I'm so funny. Yeah.
Alright. Shabuya, shabuya, roll call.
My name is Lola,
Yeah.
and I like turtles.
Yeah. Is that it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, hi guys. My name's Terry.
Angela.
And Lauren.
Welcome to our new channel. As you can see, you don't see their names in the sorry, in the name. I will edit it so their names are in it, or maybe what should we name it? Leave a comment down below of what you think we should name it, because there are gonna be 4 other girls, but one other girl can't be here. Her name's Josie. Obviously, you can tell by the name, but basically, we are going to be doing sometimes daily vlogs, and just like we're gonna be doing.
Oh my god! You know what's on this?
Do it, bro.
Yes, good! 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket. How's that anything to do with the train?
Disgrace. You guys are messing up the video.
This is what you see, guys.
Sorry.
Don't think this is all
Yeah.
script.
Okay. So by the way, we're all mentally retarded.
I love how she doesn't touch me. I'm just like,
Because your guys' it's like your guys' hair is like so straight and soft, and then here's mine like all wavy and like.
and now take bread.
I literally please subscribe.
We need your help.
We need
Stuck
you.
outside. It's cold, actually.
It's freezing here.
And it's April.
It's April. That's not good.
And
Okay. By the way, you guys can follow us.
It's April 7th.
What's the temperature?
5:51.
Dudes. Well, anyway, you can follow us on Instagram at Terry Gorley.
Angela Lelly.
And Lauren Preston.
I will leave them down in the description below. So please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.
Wait, we need to do a llama song.